people to stay encouraged, I think, is a good thing.
Well, I think that's a great point, because what we need is people to stay encouraged. And there are a lot of special interests in this town that are trying to keep things the way they are. And I think when people saw, the minute that there was a view by some that somehow healthcare was not going to be reformed, that it was just going to continue the way that it was, breaking, families and small businesses and state and local budgets all over this country. They saw 40% increases in their insurance, 25% increases in my state. It doesn't surprise me that there were a lot of people who wanted to sign that letter.
After insurance companies saw record profits the year before while everyone else is suffering through a recession.
Well, I had somebody in my state who runs a small business. It's a family business. It's been in the family for a number of years. And he said to me, Michael, we're going through this terrible recession. And he said, I can renegotiate my rent. I can think about who I pay and how much I pay. I can renegotiate with my suppliers. The only people that I'm completely incapable of being able to negotiate anything with is my insurance company.
At last check, you had 35 people sign on to your letter.
Yep.
Has the number gone up at all today? Am I still accurate?
I saw. It's not too bad, though.
Do you think it's feasible that we'll get a public option?
I don't know.
Through reconciliation?
Anything's feasible.
Are you and the other original signers doing a lot of work to encourage other people to sign on?
We all are, but more broadly, we've got a lot of work to do to make sure that healthcare reform actually gets passed.
Senator, I think a lot of people were surprised when they saw your name on that list, because you've got in the short time you've been up here, people have thought of you as a centrist. Be that as it may, I can tell you for sure, a lot of people were. The surprise was a really, really pleasant one for these folks.
Well, I appreciate it. The one thing, if you haven't spent your entire life in politics and you've actually had to work on problem solving, sometimes it's hard to categorize people, put a label on them. Gotta go.
Thank you very much, Senator. Take care.